Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you my airsoft arsenal because this is my first video and I didn't know what else to make of it. But there's one BB gun that's like an actual BB gun, so let's get into this. So right here I have a compact .45. Yeah, that came with that. And here's a really good gun. It's a Taurus, and it's full metal stock. It's like 300 something FPS. That one's like 200. And yeah. And then this is a Mossberg. A Mossberg M500. And yeah, that came with this pistol. So yeah. Then here's the BB gun. It's really good, but I really have to sight it in because it's not sighted in very well. Because the piece for the sight broke, so I put the scope on, which is right there. And then here's my BBs. I don't have very many. I need to refill. Those are 12 gram? Yeah, even though it says 25. Me and my cousin exchanged too. And then I have 2 clips, but they're from a gun that had broken, and I just haven't thrown them away. And then here's to a Colt 1911, and yeah, that's where the gun went in. Right here, and that's a laser sight. Yeah. So that gun also broke. Then I have a flashlight. It works, as you can see. Oh, zombie apocalypse. Okay, well, that came on an M4. An M4. Well, it's the spring one, and the M4 broke, and I also have the grip for it. And this one's just a. Some people have the ones where it twists down here, but mine doesn't. Well, yeah guys, that's my video. And, yeah. Alright, bye.